The curse of Vim is that you use it to write code, and then all of a sudden you're thrown back into normal life where you have to write a blog post or email or some kind of document if you're a student, and then you're like outraged that you can't use Vim because it's Google Docs or Microsoft Word, and you start majorly crashing out. But a lot of you have probably tried to write those things in Vim, and if you don't know the ways that Vim handles blocks of text, then it's a little annoying. But there's some things you can do to make it a less tedious. So here's some of my favorites. Let's say you have a block of text. I'm just going to copy the first line of Moby Dick because it's in the public domain, I think. Don't sue me, Melville. So if that pastes in, you can see it's one long annoying line. Let me move my keycaster a little bit. Or actually, let me just move up. Move that down. Boom. So yeah, that's no good. Editing this is horrendous. You're going to be like scrolling around the screen. I want to change this and to a but. And you have to scroll all over the place. Terrible. A lot of you probably know about set wrap. Maybe you don't know you can just type SE instead of set. That's a major 33% efficiency gain right there. That'll probably save you a couple seconds over your lifespan. No need to thank me. But yeah, we've got this block. That's visually better, but still, like, the words are just cutting off at random places. Like, we've got an N and like a W, kind of hard to read. And also, when you press F and J, you'll go right through this. You can get around that by doing GJ and GK, but that's kind of annoying. You're pressing two things. You can always map like J to GJ and K also, but that's not really a great solution. I did that for a little bit and it wasn't all that much better. And plus, like, every time you want to edit text, you've got to wrap and then map these things and then like unmap them and then unwrap. It's just like a headache every time. So I found this way better thing. So if I unset wrap, I wonder if I can do, wait, it's not unset. I always get this mixed up. It's set no wrap. Boom, back to that. What you can do is select the line, so I'll do that, and then press GQ, and that'll actually wrap everything for you. And you can see now the words are not cut off, and they're all on new lines. And this is great. In Markdown, like, it'll just join the lines automatically for you. If you were to preview this file, you can see they're on a block. So that's fantastic. And then you can use all the normal editing motions. I can change this hats to pants. And then, yeah, I just snuck around there like super easily with the normal Vim motions. That's great. And this is like a normal motion you can do. So if I undo the wrap, you can actually, and I had two of these, I could actually like GQ around paragraph, and then it would wrap both of them. GQ, it's overpowered. Highly recommend using it. Works with visual selections and stuff. I just do that all the time in my Markdown files now. Never mess with wrap. It's too long, just GQ it. Then it's at a reasonable place. Great with comments too in programming languages. Absolutely love that one. But if you do, for whatever reason, maybe your language is weird and any line break is gonna show up. I don't know what language that would be, LaTeX maybe, and you need to wrap, then you have the other alternative of setting wrap and then mapping GQ and the other thing. Oh, also one more thing. So if I undo that, and I set wrap again, and I want to go to the end of the line, 4 will take you all the way to the end of the line. So there's a similar thing where you can do $, and that'll take you to the what it seems like the end of the line should be. But still, that one not as good because of the cutoffs. GQ all the way whenever you can. And then if you want to go back to code mode, you can. I actually don't really know how to undo GQ. I guess you could just type J a bunch of times. Let me try that real quick. Paste in, set no wrap, and then GQQ to get the whole line, and then capital J. I guess I would have to start J. Yeah, and you could just keep spamming J until it's back to its previous state. But honestly, I just keep it in the GQ breakout mode. Yeah, that's pretty much it for writing tips. Hopefully you enjoyed that and got some value out of it. Thanks.